Hi guys, it's Christina here. Hope you guys are okay. Tonight we are making a Sacher Torte. It's an Austrian cake done by a chef called Sacher in 1832, obviously in Austria. I can't wait. I literally can't wait. For this special cake, we will need. Okay, so ingredients. We need 140 grams of softened butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then we need 115 custard sugar, 5 eggs which I've separated, 55 grams of plain flour, 85 grams of ground almonds, and melted chocolate, 140 grams. I've melted on in bain-marie on the pot on the fire, this on top. Yes, you can melt it in the microwave as well. We don't have a microwave. So these are the ingredients. What we do first, we are making the butter nice and fluffy. So we do that and I'll come back to you guys. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so butter, it's nice and fluffy. We add the sugar, yeah, on top of the butter, and again beating it up until it's mixed up. See you soon. Okay guys, so I beat the butter with the sugar nice and fluffy. What they say to do, I forgot to show you at the beginning. You will need a 23 centimeter tin, which is buttered and papered, and the oven is on at 180. Yeah. After this sugar, we do chocolate, which is melted, yeah, and it needs to be slightly cooled down. So the chocolate will go in, and the vanilla will go in as well at this stage, and we mix again. So put this aside, and let me bring the butter down and take care of this little chocolate on top of the spatula. Okay, there we go. And a half teaspoon, yeah, there we go, half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Should go in, yes, and put the mixer in for a bit more until this is mixed up, and I'll come back to you in a bit. Hello guys, here we go, that's done. We are adding the eggs to this mixture here and mix it up a bit more, and with the whites I'm gonna beat them in a separate bowl until they're really hard, but they need to be really beaten. So I'll beat this up and I'll do the eggs and I'll come back to you guys shortly. So we need to put in this composition as well the almonds and the flour. All goes in here, and then we gradually add the egg whites, but I'll see you in a bit for the egg whites. See you soon. Don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm back. I'm going to beat the egg whites. Yeah, this it looks like this at this time. It's a bit, you know, stiff, let's say. Now a little secret with the egg whites, I add a bit of a pinch of salt. It's gonna make them a lot more harder than they are. Yeah, so here we go, here we go, done. Here's the eggs. Da, na, 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 na. Okay, so finished with the egg whites. They're nice and soft. They say to add a third and then the rest. So this apparently needs to be done quite hardly. Yeah, so you don't have to do it like this. Needs to be done properly, and then the rest will be slowly. Yeah, you guys can see this. Yeah, there you go. Is that right? Yeah, this is vigorously. Okay. Then the rest will be gently. Yeah. So, done with that. Vigorously. And the rest will be very, very gently. Because that's what they say to do. So, look at that. All over my fingers. Oh, it's so good. All goes in. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Job done. Let's do it now. Gently. It's one of those cakes that you're making and you're expecting to be really chocolatey, and this is not really chocolatey. It looks like a caramel cake more than a chocolate cake. Probably that chocolate that's going to be on top at the end is going to give her the chocolate look that she needs. Okay, here we go. Take my wooden spoon because it's more handy than this plastic spatula. You know, and just to finish this off quickly. Okay, because you need to finish this off. Done. And we're bringing in the tin, which is right here. It will be in the oven for about 45-50 minutes, they say. 45-50. And obviously you check it with a toothpick. That's what I do. Normally. To bake. I will they say the more you leave it to rest, the nicer it will taste. So I'm gonna leave mine to rest until tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll do the actual ganache on top. It will rest until then. But this little cake is going in now. Yum, yum. Look at that. Yum, yum. Right. So guys, the cake will go in the oven, and I will come back to you once I take it out. Okay. See you shortly. Hi guys. It's the next day now for the Sacher torte. And it's the day when we actually putting the chocolate ganache on top. I'll show you guys how to do that quickly. Okay, stay tuned. There we go. This is the cake. It's been cooling down overnight. It has a bit of a rise, not a lot, but you don't really need a lot in a Sacher torte, I think. And for this first layer, it's gonna be apricot jam. 6 tablespoons of apricot jam. I've warmed it up a bit and then I sift it literally you pass it through a sifter until it's all on the other side. Yeah, so that's how it looks now. And we're just gonna brush all this beautiful jam on top of the cake. Yeah, and then it will need to set for a bit. Yeah, but there we go. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a bit, for about half an hour. And when I take it out of the fridge, I already made a chocolate ganache here, because it needs to be a bit cooled down before you add it on top. It's made out of 200 milliliters double cream, which you are warming up a bit on the fire in a pot, and 140 grams of I'm using dark chocolate, Bonville dark chocolate actually, because I like Bonville. And you pour the double cream on top and you whisk it a bit. So it will need to be, yeah, look, it's dripping. Actually, come on, let's just let it set for 10 minutes and I'll come back to you guys. Yeah, see you soon. Okay guys, so it's time to pour this lovely chocolate on top of the cake. Yeah, all of it. We should just normally let gravitation do its thing, but if gravitation doesn't take over, you can always smooth it out, which is not a problem. Now with the whisk though, let's just, come on. So, oh, this looks amazing. It looks really, really good. Hey guys, it's the actual final day of this Sacher Torte. It took me like 3 days to make it, didn't it? But tonight it's the final touch, which is there it is. All the chocolate is set. The final touch will be to melt 25 grams of white chocolate and write with a little piping bag Sacher on top of it. Yeah, S-A-C-H-E-R. But I'm gonna be cheeky, and I found this little icing already made in Sainsbury's, different colors, and I chose green because green is my favorite color. So let's put the letters on the cake. Okay, so I will write Sacher on the cake. Hopefully this icing works. Yeah, so we do, oh, this is quite hard. Okay, okay, oh, S. A. C. This is fun. C. Sa. E. And there's the R there. And shall we try and, should we just like a C maybe? Maybe make this more. There we go. Sacher. Right, let me try and do this here. Bit. This is like more of an A. There we go. Whoop, ready. Look at that. There you go. Sacher. that's it. Oh good, oh good. It looks really, really yum. Right guys, so this was my Sacher Torte, the cake of this week. I'm gonna go and enjoy it with the neighbors. Please try and do it yourself. Let me know how it came out in the comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends as well. The link is going to be somewhere on your screen there. And please leave any comments below so I know what you want me to do next. Maybe, why not? Thank you again for watching. And as always, don't forget, go break an egg. See you later. Bye bye for now.